everyone. Welcome back to English Studio, the podcast that helps you learn English the easy way. I'm Maya.
And I'm Jordan. Today is special. We're talking directly to English learners at A1 beginner level.
If you know some basic English, but you're still learning fundamentals, this episode is for you.
And we're calling this your 2026 guide because technology has completely changed language learning. AI, apps, free resources, everything is different now.
Jordan, you were an A1 learner once. What was that like?
Scary. I knew maybe 300 words. Hello, my name is Jordan, and where's the bathroom? That was it.
True beginner, but now you're fluent. So, A1 learners, this is possible.
Absolutely possible. Let's start with understanding A1 level. What does it mean?
A1 means you can introduce yourself, ask basic questions, talk about familiar topics like family and home.
But conversations are slow and simple. You need people to speak clearly.
And that's completely normal. Everyone starts here.
What should A1 learners focus on in 2026?
3 goals. First, learn 500 to 1,000 common everyday words. Second, understand present and past tense basics. Third, listen and understand simple conversations.
Achievable goals. Now let's talk about technology. What apps should beginners use?
Duolingo is perfect for A1. It's free, fun, starts with absolute basics.
How much time on apps?
Just 15 minutes daily. Consistency beats long sessions.
Every single day?
Yes, 15 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week.
Now, the big game changer for 2026, AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude.
How can beginners use AI?
It's your free personal teacher, available 24/7. Type, I want to practice basic English. Please use simple words.
And AI chats with you at your level?
Exactly. Practice ordering food, asking directions, introducing yourself. No judgment, no pressure.
You can make mistakes and ask for explanations.
Yes, ask the same question 100 times. AI never gets frustrated.
What about YouTube for A1 learners?
Amazing resource. Channels like English with Lucy and Easy English and our English Studio channel are perfect for beginners. And if you want, you can subscribe to podcast channels like our English Studio. There is no alternative to podcast channels for learning and speaking English well.
Why are they good?
They speak slowly, use simple words, show pictures and text on the screen, repeat important information.
How much YouTube daily?
15 to 30 minutes. Watch the same video multiple times. First time, 30% understanding. Third time, 70%.
What about TV shows?
Perfect recommendation. Extra English is perfect. It's a sitcom made for learners. Simple language, clear pronunciation, funny stories.
Where can people find it?
YouTube, completely free.
Fun learning. What about music?
Start with children's songs. Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, ABC song. Don't be embarrassed.
Simple words, clear pronunciation, lots of repetition.
Exactly. Then move to slow pop songs. Adele, Ed Sheeran. Read lyrics while listening.
Now the scary part, speaking practice.
I was terrified too. Here's what helped. I talked to myself first.
To yourself?
Yes, I described what I was doing. I am making coffee. I am drinking water. Out loud in the shower while cooking.
Did that help?
So much. When I spoke with someone, I'd already practiced those sentences 100 times.
What about apps for speaking?
Hello Talk and Tandem. Find language exchange partners. It's free. Everyone is learning. No one judges.
What should A1 learners read?
Start with children's books. Start with books for 5-year-olds like The Very Hungry Caterpillar.
Libraries have these or find free PDFs online?
Yes, also graded readers. Oxford and Cambridge publish books for learners. Start with level 1.
Should they look up every word?
No. Try to understand from context and pictures first. Only look up words you really need.
What about writing?
Write simple sentences about your day. Today I woke up at 7 a.m. I ate breakfast. I went to work.
Get feedback from language exchange apps or AI?
Perfect. Ask AI. Please check my English and explain mistakes simply.
How should A1 learners learn vocabulary?
Learn words in context, not lists. Don't memorize translations. Learn I am happy today.
How many new words daily?
5 to 10 words maximum. Really learn 5 words rather than poorly memorize 20.
Practice them in sentences, write them, say them out loud?
Exactly. Practice with AI in conversation.
What about grammar?
Keep it basic. Present simple, past simple, present continuous. That's enough to start.
I work, I worked, I am working.
Right. Communication is more important than perfect grammar.
Should A1 learners worry about accent?
Focus on clear pronunciation, not perfect accent. Many successful speakers have accents. That's fine.
Just be understood.
Exactly. Listen to videos and repeat out loud. That improves pronunciation.
Let's create a daily plan. What should A1 learners do each day?
Here's a perfect 30-minute routine. First 10 minutes, use Duolingo. Complete one lesson.
Next 10 minutes?
Watch one short YouTube video for learners. Watch it twice.
Last 10 minutes.
Practice speaking. Talk to yourself, describe your room, or chat with AI.
Just 30 minutes daily?
That's the minimum, but 30 minutes every single day will make you improve fast.
How long from A1 to A2 with daily practice?
About 3 to 6 months. Very achievable if you practice every day.
What if someone misses a day?
Don't quit, just start again. One missed day doesn't erase progress.
Important advice for A1 learners.
Use all the free tools, YouTube, apps, AI, language exchange. You don't need expensive courses.
Everything you need is free or very cheap in 2026?
Exactly. And be patient with yourself. Celebrate small wins, understanding one new word or ordering coffee successfully.
Common mistakes to avoid?
Don't translate everything. Try to think in English. Don't study only grammar. Practice all 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, writing.
Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at different speeds.
And don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes mean you're trying.
Okay, action plan for this week.
1. Download Duolingo. Do 15 minutes today.
2. Find one YouTube channel for learners. Watch one video.
3. Talk to yourself in English for 5 minutes.
4. Use ChatGPT or HelloTalk to practice conversation.
5. Find one children's book. Read the first page.
6. Learn 5 new words today. Write sentences with each word.
7. Start today. Don't wait for Monday or next month. Start right now.
Your English journey begins with one word, one sentence, one brave attempt.
Every fluent speaker was once a beginner who didn't give up.
We want to hear from you. Comment in English, even just hello from your country.
Practice writing in the comments. We'll read every one.
Thanks for listening to Englift Studio.
Good luck with your English learning in 2026.
You've got this.
See you next video.